Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, you'll learn how to write a condolence letter for the loss of a father. This letter is a heartfelt message sent to someone who has recently lost their father. This section includes your name and contact details at the top, followed by the date. Next, you'll write the recipient's name and address. After that, begin the letter with a respectful salutation like "Dear friend." After that, write, "I was heartbroken to hear about the passing of your father. Please accept my deepest condolences during this difficult time. He was a kind and dignified man whose presence always brought warmth and strength to those around him. I hope you find comfort in the many memories you shared and the legacy he leaves behind. Please know that you are in my thoughts and prayers. If there is anything I can do to support you or your family, do not hesitate to reach out. May you find peace and healing in the days ahead. Sincerely, a caring friend." Here's our sample condolence letter for the loss of a father. You'll notice how it expresses heartfelt sympathy and offers comfort to the grieving person. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and thoughtful personal and formal letters.